In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana. Exporting a timeline can be an essential step for those looking to share project progress with clients, stakeholders, or team members who aren't in the Asana workspace. It can also serve as a backup or for creating presentations. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to have your Asana project open. Make sure you're logged into your Asana account and have navigated to the project that contains the timeline you wish to export. The timeline view provides a visual representation of your project, highlighting each task and its duration, dependencies, and deadlines. Once you're in your project, locate the timeline view by clicking on the Timeline tab at the top of your Asana window. This will switch your view from the default list or board layout to timeline mode, where you can clearly see how tasks overlap and flow across their designated times. Take a moment to examine the timeline and ensure all tasks and deadlines are correctly set, as this will reflect in your export. Now, in the upper right corner of your timeline view, you'll notice a menu icon, often shown as 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal several options. From this drop-down menu, find and select the Export Print option. This is where you'll choose how you want to export your timeline. When you select Export, you typically have a few format options. As of now, Asana allows you to export timelines in various formats. However, the most commonly used options are PDF for straightforward sharing and portability, and CSV for further data manipulation in tools like Excel. Decide which format suits your needs best. For most presentations or quick sharing, PDF works wonders. But if you need granular data analysis, CSV can be more suitable. After selecting your preferred export format, Asana will process your request. Depending on the size of your project, this might take a moment. Once the export is ready, it'll automatically download to your device. Be sure to keep track of where your files are saved, usually in your Downloads folder, so you can easily access and share them later. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to open the exported file and take a quick look. Ensure that the timeline data has been captured accurately and that everything appears as expected. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises when you present it to your audience. If there are any discrepancies, double-check your Asana timeline for any data missing or set incorrectly before you export again. And there you have it. With your timeline now exported, you're ready to share your project's progress with anyone, even those outside of Asana. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope your projects continue to run smoothly.